Hello everyone, I am Tanish. Today I am going to give a short speech on liver. So, what is liver? Liver is a body organ in our body that does many jobs. And here is the three main jobs. It cleans our blood, it provides a body liquid called bile, and finally it comes in and it gives a sugar called glucose, and it stores in liver, and that place is known as glycogen. And here, how does it cleans our blood? First, liver cleans our blood by taking toxins from our blood and breaks it down to nutrients. Wait, why do we have toxins in our body? Well, this answer is we have toxins in our body every time because every body needs toxins to kill our blood cells. I mean, not the good blood cells like red blood cells, white blood cells, like that. The bad blood cells which are dead already, almost like zombies. So, now let's come into the things that which liver do. Liver does liquid called bile, which is also known as the digesting liquid, and it is helpful to us by digesting amino acids and more nutrients, and it passes through every body part of our body. Every time it passes through our small intestine, large intestine, and more. And finally, here is our carbohydrates. Like when we eat some foods and there will be carbohydrates in that food. So while in that carbohydrates, liver breaks them down into carbs. So what are carbs? Carbs are smaller forms of carbohydrates, and therefore they together form a sugar called glucose. And glucose is stored in the liver in a place called glycogen. So that's how the glycogen forms. And here there are some diseases which affects our liver. First disease, it is the Williams disease. So what is Williams disease? Williams disease means our body will build many copper with our body. And finally, here is our main contagious diseases. So what are contagious diseases? Contagious diseases are diseases that can be spread through our body. So for example, hepatitis. There are different forms of hepatitis. Hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. So what is hepatitis A? Hepatitis A is disease which will be there when we eat or drink street drugs, and when we eat or drink alcohol, junk food, and a lot. And finally, here is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B means the one which is being shared by other diseases. For example, a person who is having hepatitis B shares their toothbrush, and the person who is using the toothbrush will also get hepatitis B. So there are vaccines for both hepatitis A and B. And here is hepatitis C. That's the newer form of the hepatitis diseases that are recently only being found. So that hepatitis C has no vaccination. So that spreads like hepatitis B itself. So how can you keep your body fit? You can keep your body fit by doing physical activities like 60 minutes running or something, like playing baseball, playing hide and seek with your friends, swimming, or playing soccer. And there are many things about liver. Today's fun fact: the liver is the largest and heaviest solid organ in our body. Thank you.